Hello, I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative. In this video, I'll show you how to play music and system audio to your Skype caller using Loopback. Get involved in one of my upcoming audio production courses. They open every couple of months for enrollment, and I always accept a maximum of 20 students each time, so I can provide personal one-on-one coaching to each and every student. If you'd like to learn more about the world of audio, head to mrc.fm/learn. Loopback is a fantastic app from Rogue Amoeba. I've been using it for years, absolutely love it for routing audio. As you can see on my screen now, I'm using the brand new Loopback 2 to use it almost like a traditional wired console to get my outputs to my inputs and my inputs to my outputs. Anyway, how do you get stuff through to Skype over here so they can hear stuff like jingles, sound effects, anything else you might be playing while you're talking to, say, for instance, a guest on a podcast? So it's really simple. When you first load Loopback, you've got no devices here. You'll create a new virtual device like that. It's called Loopback Audio, but we could just call it Skype Guest Audio, like that. And then we'll choose our sources. So first of all, I might want to route through my microphone so they can hear me. So I'd go through, I'd find my audio device, whatever I'm using, maybe my webcam, my Scarlett 2i2, or in this case, I'll use my Soundcraft Signature 12 MTK desk. Now, by default, it'll route through the Soundcraft Signature left and right to Skype. Now, because my microphone is coming out of channel 1 on my Soundcraft, you're only getting a left channel to Skype. So this is where Loopback can be really handy. First, I'm going to delete these defaults by selecting them. You can go into the edit menu and just delete them, or it's command and delete. Okay, command and delete. And then I can take the master output, for instance, of my Soundcraft desk and route that through to my Skype guest audio. Really cool. There it is. It appears in real time. It's really cool, but I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to delete that, and I'm going to take this output, channel 6, which is the output of my DBX166XS. So it's my microphone with a bit of processing on it, which is going to sound really good for the Skype caller. So I'll route that through to the left channel, but hang on, I've only got one to the left channel. No worries, with Loopback, you can actually route through the same output to the right channel. And now we have a stereo signal going through to Skype, which is what we want. That's all very good with my voice, but what about I'm using Farrago here as my lovely hotkeys to play sound effects and bits like that. Things like that and things like this. But of course, we want to make sure that that can all be heard by my Skype listener. So I would go into sources and I would select Farrago or whatever application I'm playing my sound effects from, and then I can go ahead, it does it automatically for me. It routes the audio from Farrago to my caller. So now I'll play a sound effect. And you can see it registering there and going through to the output channel. Let's see if it all works with the Skype test call. First of all, I'll go into the preferences, audio and video, and I'll assign my microphone not as my Soundcraft master, but as my Loopback audio here, which is the, yep, that's working. I can see that. The audio is coming through. That's fantastic. And if I play a sound effect, yep, you can also see that sound effect is going through as well. So that is the way you'd route any audio you want at all through to Skype using the brand new Loopback 2, which has an absolutely beautiful interface. Looks just like a traditional wired patch board that you'd have kind of back in the 80s or the 90s, but it brings it all up to date with a beautiful visual interface, and I hope you're going to enjoy it for podcasting, creating all kinds of live streams, and routing audio around to wherever you need it to be inside your Mac.